Simple and easy rainbow cake which makes any occasion colorful. Make this cake for this new year and surprise your children and make them happy. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special rainbow cake. It tastes delicious and very simple to prepare. This cake will be in 6 different colors. So for the beginning we'll prepare color mixtures. Here I'm taking 10 ml of oil in small bowl. I want to prepare all 6 layers separately, so I'm dividing ingredients into 6 different bowls. Now add 10 ml of milk in each bowl. After you finish adding milk, add color. Here I'm adding red, orange, yellow, green, blue and violet. Each color I am adding 4-5 drops. You can increase or decrease as per your color type. Now mix the colors and keep these bowls aside. Now prepare cake mold. Here I am using mold which has 16 cm of diameter. Place parchment paper on baking tray bottom. Apply some oil to mold side so that parchment paper will stick. Now place parchment paper inside the mold. Here I cut 1 inch width. Now in a bowl take 1 egg white and keep egg yolk separately. With hand mixer or whisk, start to beat egg white. Take 30 grams of powdered sugar, make it into 2 parts and add to the egg white 2 times and continue to mix till the egg white mixture will get thick. When you take out the mixer, you should have straight peaks. Even slightly bending also fine. But peaks should not fall back to the mixture. The consistency should be like this as I'm showing. In egg yolk, add pinch of salt and half ml of vanilla extract. It will be 4-5 drops. Mix well and add egg yolk mixture to the egg white mixture and continue to mix till both mixtures combine well. Now take 30 grams of all-purpose flour, sift and add. Here I am adding sifted flour. Mix slowly as I am showing in cut and fold method. When you mix all the flour, take small amount of cake batter and mix with color mixture which we prepared at first. Add this back to cake batter and mix it in cut and fold method again. If we add oil and milk directly to main batter, oil will not mix well and we will not get required texture. Now pour this batter in cake mold which we prepared earlier. Now bake in preheated oven in 170 degrees centigrade for 12 to 15 minutes. After 12 minutes, my cake is ready. Now take out the cake, remove parchment and let it cool down. Now repeat the same process starting from egg to make another layer. Use skewer or toothpick or a stick and do as I am showing. This is to remove any air bubbles. I have only one cake mold so that I am preparing separately. If your oven is big enough to keep multiple molds, you can prepare batter once and divide into 6 parts and then add colors and bake them the same time. Now all our cake layers are ready. We'll let them cool down completely and in this time we'll prepare our cream. For the cream, take 500 grams of cream in a bowl. For this, add 400 grams of condensed milk. Here I use homemade condensed milk, so it's little bit darker and thicker. With the help of hand mixer, start to beat the cream till cream and condensed milk combines well. Look, consistency should be like this. Now fill this cream in an icing bag and keep aside. Now take the cake layers, cut and remove uneven surface. Keep these pieces aside. We will use to decorate the cake at last. After cutting uneven edges, now it's time to apply cream and make our cake. Apply small cream to base surface and place the violet cake layer on top of it. Now apply cream on top of the cake layer. Here I am applying 4 to 5 mm thick layer of cream. You can increase or decrease as per your wish. Now place blue cake layer and apply cream on top of it. Repeat the same process until you finish all the layers. Now apply cream to sides and top. Here I use mixture of grated cake pieces, which I have cutted before. You can customize this part as per your wish. Now our cake is ready. We'll keep our cake in the fridge as minimum 2 hours. The best option to leave for overnight. The next day I want to cut and show you what an amazing rainbow hidden inside. Look at our cake. How beautiful is it? It's so creamy, so soft and spongy. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.